Leggett YouTube viewers, and welcome back to another episode of our stunning property tours. Today we are taking you through a truly unique and historical estate that combines the elegance of the past with all the modern comforts you could dream of. Step into a world of timeless elegance and history as we take you on a tour of a magnificent property nestled in the heart of one of France's most serene regions. This exceptional estate, which dates back to the early 1600s, is a masterclass in the architectural splendor of the Renaissance, while offering all the modern luxuries you could hope for. Located in the rolling countryside, this residence has been lovingly restored to blend historic charm with contemporary comfort, resulting in an estate that is truly one of a kind. The property, originally constructed in 1601, has a fascinating history, intertwined with the region's cultural and agricultural heritage. Built during the Renaissance, the manor reflects the grandeur of that era with its stone facades, intricate masonry, and a newly retiled roof. Throughout the centuries, this property has stood as a silent witness to many significant events. Like much of the Vendée region, it endured the turmoil of the Vendée Wars, suffering considerable damage, including fire and destruction. However, the estate was restored in stages, and by the late 20th century, it had been reimagined as a space for meditation and retreat, before once again falling into disuse. That is until 2010, when the current owners undertook a painstaking renovation, revitalizing the property into a luxurious estate while preserving its historical integrity. Spread across more than 800 square meters of living space, the estate includes a main manor house and several outbuildings, which have been transformed into guest houses or gîtes. The estate's centerpiece is the main house, a stately residence that seamlessly combines its 17th century roots with contemporary comforts. Restored between 2017 and 2018, the house features grand reception rooms with high ceilings, large windows that flood the rooms with natural light, and original architectural details like exposed beams and stone fireplaces. The living areas are perfect for both intimate family gatherings and large-scale entertaining, with the property boasting a banquet-sized dining room and a formal living room that opens onto the garden. guest accommodations are a highlight of the property, offering guests or family members a private retreat. Each of these units is fully equipped with modern amenities, including spacious living areas, fully fitted kitchens, and ensuite bathrooms. The largest guest house, formerly an agricultural outbuilding, can host up to 6 guests, with 3 bedrooms and its own private terrace overlooking the stunning landscape. One of the most striking aspects of the estate is its extensive outdoor space. The manor is set within over 50 hectares of private land, a portion of which was once actively farmed for both crops and livestock. Now these lush grounds serve as a tranquil oasis, with beautifully landscaped gardens, mature trees and peaceful meadows. A large swimming pool installed during the 2012 renovation offers a serene spot to relax and enjoy the breathtaking views of the surrounding countryside. The property itself has been designed to cater to a variety of uses. Whether you are looking for a private residence with expansive grounds or a property that can be adapted for events, retreats or rentals, this estate has the flexibility to meet your needs. The combination of multiple independent guest houses, large reception spaces, and extensive outdoor areas make it ideal for hosting events such as weddings or corporate retreats. What truly sets this estate apart is the attention to detail in the restoration. Every element, from the meticulously retiled roof to the hand-restored stone walls, reflects the dedication to preserving the property's historical essence. Yet, at the same time, the estate offers all the modern amenities that today's discerning buyer would expect. High-speed internet, modern kitchens, and energy-efficient heating systems ensure that the property is as comfortable as it is charming. This is a property that offers not just a home, but a lifestyle. Imagine waking up each morning to the sounds of nature, enjoying a leisurely breakfast on the terrace, and spending your days exploring the nearby vineyards, castles, and markets of the Vendée. In the evening, you could host friends and family in the grand dining room, or simply relax by the pool as the sun sets over the rolling hills. If you're looking for a unique property that combines history, luxury, and an unbeatable location, thank you for joining us on this tour. If you'd like to find out more about this incredible property, check the link in the description and in the comments below for more information and additional photos. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more exclusive property showcases. We'll see you in the next video.